This event is the Howell competition. I'm scared, I'm worried because I might mess up and it's a lot of pressure. But other than that, I'm just mostly focusing and thinking to myself what I need to do next and how to move on to help the team.
This competition is like any other FTC competition. There's the pits where teams have set up stuff where they can work on their robot.
I am in charge of the field for scouting, so I am in control of a group of 7th graders.
Well, during the first match, we definitely had a lot of trouble with our autonomous period. We have quite a bit of time until our next match. Right now they're on match 3 or 4, I think, and we're at match 11. So right now we're just gonna check and see what's wrong with the robot.
The autonomous just started to spaz out and it flipped over the sky stone, and then when we tried to put the capstone down, the second arm wouldn't come up. We're trying to see what happened to the program to fix that.
I didn't realize that it was going to be as exciting as it is. Like it is, you know, there's a lot of downtime where, you know, their kids are scouting and they're doing this and they're doing that, or they're hanging out with each other. But when we get in there and the matches start, it's really neat to see out there. They get excited. So the kids are, you know, that's why I do what I do.
Well, our team was taking blocks over and their team was stacking them up. Our tower fell over like right at the last second though, but we got it. We got the points for it, so that was good.
So right now we're fixing our robot and charging the batteries so we have a fresh battery, and we're figuring out what went wrong with the last one and why we can't pick up the sky stone.
I'm the unofficial safety captain. More or less, I started collecting safety glasses this morning and it just got out of hand very quickly. FTC pits aren't that dangerous. They don't actually have power tools all over the place like an FRC pit, but still, you know, you only get one set of eyes.
Got that up there, it felt really good because usually when we try and do it when we practice, something happens because of how high it has to go and how wobbly the arm is. So I'm really happy that we got that up there in a clean way.
So getting that capstone on was a huge deal for the team. You did an amazing job racing all the way up, putting the extra time and effort in to the mast, to getting it that tall was a big